Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to bookmark a website on Microsoft Edge. First, open your Edge browser and go to the web page you wish to save. Look for the star icon, which is the Add to Favorites button located on the right side of the address bar. Click this star, and a small window will appear. Here, you can name your bookmark and choose where to save it, like the Favorites bar or another folder. It's a quick and easy way to keep track of your favorite sites. Keeping your bookmarks organized makes them much easier to find later. You can create new folders to group similar websites together. For instance, you might have a folder for work resources and another for personal interests. Simply drag and drop your saved bookmarks into these folders. If you right-click on any bookmark or folder, you'll see options to rename, move, or delete them, giving you full control over your collection. Once you've saved your favorite websites, accessing them is straightforward. You can click the three dots menu, usually found in the top right corner of your browser, and then select Favorites from the drop-down list. This will open a pane displaying all your saved bookmarks and folders. A quicker way is to use the keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus O. Simply click on any bookmark in the list to open that web page immediately. Managing your bookmarks ensures your list remains useful and clutter-free. If a website's name changes or you want to update its URL, simply right-click on the bookmark and choose Edit. You can also easily delete any bookmarks you no longer need, keeping your favorites list streamlined. For those who use multiple browsers or devices, Microsoft Edge allows you to import bookmarks from other browsers or export your current collection for backup or transfer.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.